Korean.Fried Chicken. Are there 3 more delicious words in the English language? We don't think so. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make this delicious treat at home. To start with, chop up 600 grams of boneless chicken. We were going for a size a little bit bigger than popcorn chicken. In a microwave-safe bowl, pop in your chicken, salt, pepper, and a teaspoon of garlic. Give it a good old mix so that the salt, pepper, and garlic are evenly coating your chicken before popping it in the microwave for about 1 minute. It's time for the magic ingredient. Fried chicken coating can be found in the international aisle of most supermarkets. Combine a 1-to-1 ratio of the powder with water. For about 600 grams of chicken, we went with 3/4 of a cup of powder to 3/4 of a cup of water. Whisk together until it's lump-free and smooth. To coat the chicken, we're going to dip the pieces in the batter before adding it to a container with some more of the chicken coating. I'm laying the chicken pieces out with a gap between each to try and maximise the crunchiness. Once there's no more room for any more chicken, time to pop on the lid and give it a shake. Voila! You can see the chicken is now nicely coated. You might need to top up the chicken powder in between batches. Doing this double coating method is your secret to extra crunchy chicken. I'm adding in 1 litre of vegetable oil to my wok, but you can of course use a saucepan instead. Wait until your oil has reached 180 degrees before adding in your chicken. I'm using the Inkbird today to keep an eye on the temperature. The chicken should take about 4 minutes to cook. I like to use some wooden chopsticks to separate the chicken to avoid them sticking together. Keep an eye on the colour of your chicken. Once it's reached that golden brown colour, it's time to take a piece out, chop it open and see if it's done. Once your chicken's ready, drain it on some paper towel. We ended up cooking our chicken in about 4 batches to avoid overcrowding the pan. Once you're all done, let your oil cool down properly before filtering it and storing it in a jar for later. Even though it was my first time making Korean fried chicken, I found the process really easy and the result was juicy, crunchy and delicious. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe and we'll see you in next week's video.